YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing video. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Happy St. Patty's Day to everybody. Take it easy out there. And now we got a special unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys can check them out. The link will be down below. If you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out now. They'll ship this to you fast. And if you have some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer. You never know what they might have. Ooh. Oh, baby. This is a nice one. This is Espscofe Espresso. Alright. Now we're talking. I need some energy after this. Espresso coffee. A mellow experience. Yep, I need to be mellow. It's gonna be a long night, guys. Thank you guys for watching, though. Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. Much appreciated. Now let's see what this does. Definitely excited to test this thing out. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And like I said, YouTubers, this is something up your alley. Maybe your boss, maybe your friend, your parents, cousins that drink coffee or espresso. Amazon time. There we go. Prime time, guys. Prime day. Everything's back. Warning. Never touch the heating disc and steam vent of coffee maker when immediately after it is used for making heating coffee. The water tank cap must be installed when the appliance is being used for making and heating the coffee. Never shake the appliance body during use. Okay. This is a nice package. How do we get it open? Kind of like a shoebox. So good I can't even open it. Oh. Okay. Alright, a little fancy. That's nice. Got a nice little travel pouch, especially truckers. Oh. Maybe you're out hunting during hunting season. You know? Take this on the road with you. Espresso. I like this. It's a nice little travel case. It's like a gift with a gift. So you get a bonus. Whoa. Okay. We get the car lighter. Got the manual. I have to take a look at this for sure. It's the first time I'm doing this type of style. We got the normal plug. Sweet. We'll use this side. Definitely. It's kind of like a canteen container. Not sure which way is which. I think I might have some espressos somewhere. I think those are the little tiny ones. And this is definitely a nice little bonus. Ooh. Alright. Future is pretty sweet, guys. A little drinky drink. Goes in there. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need to read. Okay, plug goes there. lock and unlock. Same with that. What is this? What is this contraption? Battery. I'm going to have to read the instructions. Alright, let's take a look. See how this is set up. I'm not going to use the car port right now, so there's no need for that one. But it's the same. Maybe that's what it's for the car. I don't want to take no guess. Make sure kids don't touch this, or for teenagers and up. Okay, power indicator. Is that the middle button? There's a lamp. Press the battery cap lock. Yep, that's a battery. Install it. So there's a right there. Gonna wanna take this little guy. Whoa, heard the beep. So that is activated. We are activated. I just gotta make sure everything's shut when I put the water in. Now make sure you're locking in. Remember, down is lock, up is unlock. Okay, we got that part connected, so the battery's good to go. Okay, now it says screw off the water cup. So I think this is the water cup. Turn over. Screw the water cup. Or screw off the water cup. Turn over the appliance. Open the extracting chamber cap. Oh, there's where the cup goes. Okay, screw. We did that. And it says turn over the appliance. Open the extracting chamber cap. Place a capsule of your favorite taste in the chamber. Okay, I'll do that in a second. I'll go grab it. Just gotta make sure, remember where I stick them. I just want to know where to put the water. Open the water tank. Where is the water tank? Whoops. Let me put your eyes up. Alright guys, I found my little espresso thing. I'm going to add the water now. A little aquafina. So, and it says press the button for about 2 seconds and release. Release it when one beeping sound is heard. Now the appliance starts heating. After about 10 minutes, the water pump starts pumping. After pumping, the appliance makes 4 beeping sounds. Then the button indicator lamp turns green. Now 1 cup of coffee is made. So after we screw, I want to make sure I got this the right way. sure everything set up. Alright, I found it. See, it's labeled right here in the manual. Air vent, water lid, water. So you just pour. I should put capsule in first. So make sure you put this in here. Alright, it's nice and locked. I think. Nope, not yet. Alright guys, so now here comes the pour. It should be good. And now, let's see if I did it right. Here we go. Now it said it'll take a few minutes, so I'm going to put you guys on pause, because right now it's going to heat up and all that process. I think it's ready to go. Okay, there we go. Should be a few minutes. Battery indicator light, button indicator light, main body, capsule. I think I smell something already. It smells like coffee. It's pretty strong. So I think it's warming up. Okay. Chamber did that. Says press button for 2 seconds and the buzzer makes one sound. The button lamp and power indicator lamp go on. The heating disc starts the heating. When the water temperature is up to suitable temperature, the buzzer makes 2 sounds and the water pump starts pumping. Press the button for 5 seconds, then the buzzer makes 2 sounds. Okay. So I did it too. I think we should be good. Cleaning's an easy thing to do. Wash the extracting chamber. So we got the battery pack, AC DC adapter, vehicle power. There we go. You guys are vibrating. I got a coffee mug right here. What is it? I forgot what the green. I heard it. Sorry about that. I heard something going. There we go. We'll be right back. Well, ooh, that smells good. Look at this. That's crazy. So definitely check them out. Try a little taste. Oh, it's hot. It's good though. This is really cool. So if you guys are in the market for a new espresso maker, this is the one to get. Got the coffee stain already. But definitely check them out, guys. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And yeah, pretty much. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.